Welcome to FiresideChatGPT, where curiosity meets connection. If you've ever wanted to make money online, but felt like you didn't have the time, the tools, or the confidence, this episode is for you. Because today, we're breaking down two of the most powerful, beginner-friendly ways to build something from nothing using ChatGPT. You don't need to be an influencer. You don't need a business degree. You just need an idea and the willingness to try. Let's get into it. Small Blue Diamond Part 1. Start a niche channel. Without showing your face right now, thousands of creators are making content in very specific niche areas, and a lot of them? They're not experts. They're not even on camera. They just picked a topic people care about and used free tools to bring the content to life. Here's how you can do the same. Step 1. Pick a niche that people are already searching for. This could be pet care tips, like how to stop your dog from barking, relationship psychology, history facts, old school hip hop, trivia, mindset, and productivity, fitness tips for people over 40. The more specific, the better. Don't go broad like health, go niche like stretching for truck drivers. That's where the money is. You can use tools like Google Trends or just type your topic into YouTube's search bar to see what people are already watching. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to generate the scripts. Here's the magic. You don't need to write anything from scratch. Just ask ChatGPT to do it. Example prompt. Write a 60-second YouTube short script with 3 interesting facts about golden retrievers. Or, give me a motivational 30-second script in the voice of a calm narrator, focused on overcoming fear. You can even ask it to write in your tone, funny, emotional, inspiring, whatever suits the channel vibe you want. Step 3. Turn the script into a video, without filming yourself. Now, take the script and match it with free or royalty-free visuals. Use Canva, Pictory, or InVideo to drop in clips and photos. Use Mov.ai or another voiceover tool. If you don't want to narrate, add subtitles. With tools like CapCut or Submagic, in minutes, you've created a full video, without ever turning on your camera. Step 4. Post consistently and use smart titles. Post YouTube Shorts, TikToks, or Instagram Reels with attention-grabbing titles. Think 3 dog breeds that will change your life, why you should stop saying sorry, the trick successful people use that nobody talks about. Let ChatGPT write your video titles and descriptions too. Just say, give me 5 clickable YouTube titles for a video about productivity tips for night shift workers. It works. Monetization options. Once you build a small audience, once people start watching, add affiliate links to books, pet gear, tools, create a digital product. We'll talk about that next. Use YouTube's partner program. Once you hit 1,000 subs, or offer shoutouts, coaching, or exclusive content. You don't need to go viral. You just need to be consistent and useful.